Welcome back, G Nation. Today's pro tip, we're actually dishwasher install. So we're having a little fun today, getting some of the mock prep, making sure that we have all the right connections. My God, it's like, the best thing to do is go through all your appliances when you're doing a rough-in, verify what you have, get all the correct lines. Like we had an install kit for this guy. Guess what? Total different install kit for it than what we have. So voila! But we can do the rough-in. And the biggest issue that we have with dishwashers is that they are not leveled. People are confused. Either they're confusing on how they level. Some have feet at the back, which you have to spin individually, slide it in, slide it out, slide it in. The easy way that you can do this is by using the basket to level. Forget about what the reality is. What the basket is attached to the runners that are built into the side of the dishwasher. So if you use a small 3-foot level, in fact, here, I'll try and get in on the bubble. Okay, so here's our bubble. Okay, so I've already adjusted this feet, so I've slid it in. We're not installing, today is just rough. I normally set the dishwasher edge bubble, so not completely level, but tilted to the back a little bit. Keeps the water pressure and everything off the front gaskets and off the front door. So again, use the basket, take out the utility trays here, take that out, get to the frame of the basket, put a level on it, and that's how you can set your dishwasher. Make sure left and right, because all the things that are working with this dishwasher, from the pump to the screens, you want it to be in its optimal. I got another dishwasher we got to pull later tonight for the girlfriend. So it's, again, these are issues that should be done in installs, and they're normally not done. They just throw them in, they run away. They don't put the high loop. So again, we'll actually have a high loop in on the drain. You can kind of see there's our loop beginning. I'll actually take that up behind the sink, and that'll be our high loop. We'll get into that later. But again, make sure that you have that discharge correct, that will be higher. That pipe has to be higher than the dishwasher. Yes, some of the new dishwashers already have a high loop designed on the back of the dishwasher. You do not take the lines off of those. I've seen people take them off thinking that it was just part of the storage. It's actually part of the design. So it doesn't hurt to have another loop. Basically, that keeps from siphoning water coming back into the system of discharge water, so it protects the water system. Anyway, today's pro tip: level your basket left, right, but do it from that point, because that's where the well, let's put it this way: that's where the dishes are getting hit. So that's what you want level. You won't have issues with your tray rolling out by itself and all these different things. So again, that's the way we do it. So good luck.